Today is day 7 of the Fly Lady 31 Baby Step Challenge. We're officially a week in. A week of shining our sinks, dressing to shoes, and replacing any negative words we may have to say about ourselves or think about ourselves with positive words. Yesterday we began the 2-minute hotspot. That is where we set a 2-minute timer, go to any flat surface or any area in general that has been bothering us and set a 2-minute timer and eliminate that clutter in that surface. And even though we may not think it's clutter, if it doesn't have a home, it absolutely is clutter. Before we get to today's step, which is one of my most favorite steps ever, we're going to make sure that we're dressed to shoes. And again, if you don't have house shoes, no problem. Just take a pair that you don't really wear, wipe down the soles, and you're all set. No need to purchase anything. And also be sure to grab your free calendar down below so you can see what's coming ahead. But today's baby step is none other than pick your clothes out for tomorrow. This is super duper exciting stuff because this is where we get to get creative, a little bit cute, a little bit fancy if you want, however you feel comfortable to dress. Also be sure to do hair and light makeup if you wear it, put on your accessories, whatever it is that you want. And this will cause us to feel so much more confident because we've already picked out our clothes. We don't have to throw anything on anyhow. We can get to wear those clothes that we actually said that we will wear. And by the way, the clothes that you're saving for a special occasion, let's get those now, because you know what? Today is a special occasion. You are the special occasion. So be sure to grab those cute clothes, put them in a hanger or wherever it is that you feel comfortable, where you will find them nice and neat for tomorrow. Pro tip, be sure to check your calendar and the weather so you can choose your clothes accordingly. But even if you're staying home all day, do not skip this. It is a total game changer. And don't forget to continue the habits of shining your sink, dressing to shoes, and getting those 2-minute hotspots. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 8 of the Fly Lady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.